putte, pero mira, yo le putte. I told you to send me, pero mira, I told you to send me. I told you to putte, pero mira, I told you to putte. I told you to send me, pero mira, I told you to send me.
Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step on our toes now. We are the elephants. Oh yes, I know we can.
Virtual luak mawuno neno way la Kwe TV an la dit di ben atamni adukong boto wakwa nyoro lok moko mananak malupe kilokom kiwani nga limpa MPs mamegwa luchun ad moko chik magia ki actually rwatama megi ki la dit president Loket wong ento pawa bedonyo matut tutwal kanywak ko kway lok magien go cher kanyamne kunu si la bomba lokare anamiti ajol kong panelist mawan watikere kakany mano kun en bibino bene chi chamo koni wanywako lok mano tie Fred initini ning Fred ajoli tutwal apoyo Fred, Fred, duani pete winye. Ke unmuting kang. Okay. Network mamege futika yupe, but amira wachu lutua ni loke enini lok ma chero Kubiro sparking onyo nyayo tuan discussion bot dano to 12 makun lok matiga winye lok pat anamita go ni wu wiye bien anano wakika kamo mading si amira tiker mabe amira tiker mabe piani kunano kika mading pira tekni be omira anywak kidu kako ni Fred bieno kakanyi anatamani wiye ko ye we kacha kipenyo wunu tini ning kiner matini pian pa moru chamoni mabe kidong we wange bene kama in itika lok ye kechile chiel we no beru be twal kawan wa moro nyo lok mamegwa no wa referring kama no initi ye bene man per tek twal we discovering bene ki coverage mamegwa ket mano tikede Lutua gene non chake kibot la dit omera Honorable Ojara Martin Mapenduzi ma Loki Peo period and Karangech of course warange mabeni onodong dano bena tiki pek enoni ikomen ilok me Beru kala mano wera yellow. Gina na dano wera o chaka mere chalo biak chidong karmo o yada. Anger gino mi biak na beru yot twale pian man waneno karmo karangech ikit me pati en olongen ber matek twal. Show me o cherche beru yot bodano me biak ko akori bik anoni magun wakunano bik dong tieni anti NRM yungela chendak enongolo to cher ka kamoni cha eneni man ipati pa wood paladit lobo makibar mera no charwa en mera no ingo jana we waje loke eneni cha waje ni goga beru tie madit to twal ilokom pat enoni Magoga ne oneno kama leng yongela chen. Makangat mauno chermer muamata chi chero dong mogo gin mabika tiki ye dong no pedong gin mo mati kito bedong kubido time oni. Pian amira wachu ni lip tutwal ni ngat ma no dong ti chalo bawa ma peti chalo eto ngat matie party president machalo wot paladit lobo o karmo madong pegamo wachim fa en jo ma no dong ken ko ngolo la ka kulu ku tier borene mane ne gen ma o tiero chi chung wi joni tutwal pen lok dong ke go chim nong loko ke nong param lok ke pian no na ma chim berong pa ke gamo on ke cha pe ke gamo ne ka do o yo ngele chen dong be ne chalo wan number eno ne ki cher ko ke la ko dong gwa ko nyo ti ke kit mo mano gwa ko nyo chok ke blacklist dong pa ngeo o mi ono dong kit gamo chim mo ma di tutwal beru pere ke bot dano ma chalo word paladit lobo ke pat ma mege chi o mi yo ngele chen wanen uno jomo kene machala eno mera honorable Jarma Penduzi dugo party me NRM en kono ikit me loka ma mege uno eno ber ki mirre ni ene loka ki kabir makilwoni para eto ki para kunu gini eno ni dare o chiero che omen la dit lobo o chiero chuwe ko porom timne kunu kirika ini miro gini ene pobo time e kit meno chumio lok o beru tima duong ma tutte ma pat lok do chakeni gini dong ba ginong ka won wa an la ke ka la ke ki gena ga china ni ana betuta matek me kel wer wani wang ni kai ram ti me ne cha yela pe endong jemne mo kana kit ma wono neno lok me la ke do chake an kirine wa mera machalo honorable a Paul Anthony berong tin dong chero lakke weng no dong lok tieni gini pauno mo chero kuja koko ma awinyo ukate kibot honorable a Paul Anthony waje giano dong karmalach lwa ko komge niki wache beruge i opposition ni ena tika gao kelu kiria i dan lobo e Uganda e ko malama Uganda chi genonge teatro mane ni lok mu kargi bot honorable Anthony Akol Fred petiga bieno ka kany erte lok mu ker mano mera lok mano Fred tiga kany pe balo ka meta ni ano ya yup man mekero ochene ichupa chieli ena eneni ni uker ochene ichupa chiel ena eneni chi ochene ni bene go donyi chupa la babany man Patrick Chachi kom ngat mo I want to be clear on this but ka ini neno lok ma beru tie madong dit loyo John go cher ka lok kom en ker chala pa apa Madara district Pierre kene I think look any beneka in an yes, peer tech, peer tech. But to me, no food issues, Tiamadua time, Makeramo Kernachal Genomergi solving. Pecker district, you know. That to me. Oh, okay. We're going there. We're going to all right. Fred. Ajoli dong.
Yes, Anapoyo.
Ajoli.
Anapoyo. Anabero ka winyo maduong maiti lokone.
Yes. Chi.
Kong de tiak dong apa ni kong.
We're tiak dong kong. Because you be being a bit done, you have been look Mukama Ben and look in no animated in a category. Look, man, no amount of MPs go again get chair, but the deal. I tell me, and no category. Now, me on a catem, Berkamako Berekman and Nake. Chief Kirika dong ni MPs Gikarba, to a look any. Tijim Mukana Madono, in a man would take a look, Mer Madon, look Memong. Mukane, RPR Benong Tech Bar actually. And there was look money ni one don't know a D K. Bobby no a D. Any giant NOTA. Majo can't you on record, Magan go and me Americana. Chiana in any Karma get here, but Badal Fred. Let me tell you something.
Yes.
Ka initamo ni iningi to twaldong. Kila Diet General Sale chi wang. Kai tam ne de nyepe kome mada chi de wang. Kai tam dong le rem mada chi de wang. La dita ene react mo ma pa ene konge white party ine ba la dita ene react ma balu wiyo upenya MP money kawe abuchiko upenya MP money ni what is the productivity of your constituency wek dong kar anwe an gena general an gete luanyi ko ma petu ko to an don ko bi luanyi ken ko ma konga kitika penyo productivity of your constituency
and quality pa politicians wa enu
eyo luena ram non tika luanyi ko ma da so Johnny Gucher bot men la dit logo chidong ki kenyo. And again, go time ni guaconyo dong lock gichani no dong bitum mata no dong gen dong kagicher dong lock kon mecha bien la titi gen mangel pier lo en chien America wani choko gutia man gen madang eba mai winya antin non ka cher pot jali tia dugu kitwan chen ma peto ko mon eni gen madong tiga kan widan chi kar ma jon chero nyero chor tok MPs ma mai gwa wa wunon ko chere aya jona go chang rito gwa o kadong tia jendo twal sidong un wek gena tem maga ene anda chue lubot kom Secretary General me party ke come ma eno la ten be pa jogo
ngari to do
eyo we ko chue lu ko na we ko chue lu bot la dit lobo ena bena ke o bot la dit lobo a similar thing ke cher ber ke chor tok ge ni a kong dong ne na lo ku ni kong la chen so kombede kirwa joma nong geno no gen go la ke kamu kene dong tie ma dilemma me lo composition ma chalo candidate mo be ber ko en be dong lo ketie Penti joker manong ti predetermine wachan. Ni mana yobe beru la chung PNRM ikaber munyo. Jomu ken mako bergo la ka ne bedak be jo mano dong kiti chan system be dong gidegge why won ko ngo kelu ka la ka ene. Tinene. Chi there's a lot to be discussed. Ma ngene ubiter kare. We wan nyam lok ino liweng. but in machalo in Fred dano machalo team analysis neno ni ikom ga egonyo liwengi enitie ni ning
diben anapoyo machel ana mera poyo dano dichu matiga neno wa daktiga winyo wa man lok pemi ui ya chuli ero lok mile wija ye lok mile wich kitian lok ni achuri do ye beru nyapo chidong watiga kuo mano wano nyap la tela yo beranga la tela yo beru wang luak machero ka duok ko duon luak kama begi teye la bole members mi parliament gen tiu duon luak my constituency ma megi chigiteri parliament ma nyama kagen gutero duon luak ma nyama chike nyamo chimoje ki dugu chen chan mokaro lajo ikumalo mi Uganda owere chawani joma wanu wageno gi ni gen no twero keme kitela gudugu lo lega gudugu lo tang chingi gudugu yot chalo popcorn kayini wajo ni duok wichen ke sampling ikin lo tela matin gen go wajo ni donge loke NRM ibinoni track records giraj marun konye bepe aidha giana yegu beru brokers ichato ngome ya chuli
kakare
unyo chingu chego timo jin maraji district unyo gidiki cases maduong kumgi chidong gen gitamo ni tie got money mo begayo ngegi uwego mukene wano tiki records gi mukene gurinyo for protection eta meru wechini NRM machalo party piti chidano magiti ku kono gi kenero giti bena kadam angini ubi ka mukene ma ki jomo kene ma kibi tinyu gi ka kibi moyo gi kama leng obi beru la wit ka NRM machalo party ma wano ngeyo ni this time utamoni dong jomo lokene ena gi chwal gi dong from line la bon cherry primary aratamno bi beru la wit chwal aidha ubi nyurni quality palotela NRM tila pinyadida madong gitamoni opposition mo lokene ena again gibino ka feeling the void matiene
kakare
that will be a shame Mario Diben tili tiena wamo kene ma ubino itela mochtela yuberu pere ginge atini come 2026 gen pege be doge parliament itali tiena tiga tukukad mukene do tiyo joka ilo malo mukene tigi master spade ma wajo ni kay lawyer ni tap ana bichili ki master spade chino atie minus pientamo ni kate MP karokwi cha appointments obi berutie kone guru kome favor mono obi berutie obi guru kome actually uno pino geluo level en mawano tika neno neni pien man actually tika exhibiting level miluor madong na maloyo ni actually tin nong petwero kemme ki lokome actually tin nong petwero kemme ki lueng matek pikaka chirong tamo ni ene ren ngeye icheto dong i ruling party opposition obero nga opposition obero an ki in matamwa pat kitampa ngat moni matitela opposition nemo even within NRM unoti jomoni magien they have disagreed with certain issues in NRM kichako wanyingi makikeo gi akea chitin litino wa malu di ruberu piny gutiyo bogo lwedo gudi chingi kagu chibu nyik lok ma iyo chule ni lang chingi ni teru uno duanwa wano tiki pen lok ma tigu iya chuli magitiyo kirare ching opposition nika uchero ka chung piwa na wipu maku uting mano keri nyimgi pien gena itiga loyo gamente ikine tie lok mi chulo diang pachuli ikine ti lok mi ngom makiberu ka tich kere ikare madano ti kema ikine tie jemi ma chulo ruenyo ikare milweny mamukene monyo maya chalo moroka mukene mamonyo no maya gutiyo kere ikine tine galany makinego la bole ka yene chero Eastern Uganda mutu kora kiloko piere pin litieno wa magien ki waogi bogdi ibogi mega beruti kin lok makitiyo ki radio iching litieno wa pien kitamo ni machalo position yen twero bedo ki duon makagu kero kamaleng chigamente winyo ikina ti loka nywa bubero katime kanyi magitamo ne kakichwalo gien che gien twero chero gikeru lok enoni macharo loka watikili tiena wube kicho mamunya gamento buru kwet gi lok meteko kitiyo lok enoni ke ride ching MP segun nigo cheri parliament kanyamone watikili ubegi wakimege wa mamunyu nywaro gi ilok mi buru tek kitiyo lok man ke ride ching le tiena wa ni chero loko ichawani chipulogo nyim gamente ngayo gio chidong gitamani wek pirong gi piny gidong pi accountability giendong be gi doko dibera mer wachini ti jomo kere no bela widu umagi kiliet wigi be food willow ne giendong gitidong in the system ka okaruo otiga bokulok ibinyo ka wacho ni ingeyo watemo lweny ki wogo do ngayo wa mirni dong wa lweny dong kiye untamo wilogo pe winyo lok weno ni dong gien ge gwa mada gidi dong kakati dong kimongi en tielo moni mada chulo rujo ki kwogi ni uwego even lok mukane mimu achuri tiyu radio kama leng ka dong uno la merogo moti ka lopokuri mi ada moko ka da inde loke gi chunyi weng chu winyo lok eno ni utero beru nini beru lok mina wich tile tieno wamukene makai winyo gitika lok wano don ko warong ti don kamaraj cha wenki lubu ko wa gimiru ne ko wa wek wa lokeo ngoma dong yende timo maraj loyo ma wek indong idugu target maneka meru lok charo dano betki a genuine reason pingo pika fiki kum lokada mo weko ini lokte mi aka beru ka bondo dano ni weka lok gi moma olo winyi ma mier yed dano anata ni kar ma wan oye eni achuri do okay that cheap kind of politics and me seeking glory achuri do okay ye
nege be mango ni
I beg your pardon
awai kore politics ni pengom wo beta per ni
exactly kore politics and achuri do okay ye ichane achuri tika nemo keep me catching up ki parts mukene me wilobo parts mukene mi Uganda ichana churiti ka neno local minerals lonyo mite ngom matie ni konya ngoma wabinoye ichana churiti ka neno lok mi kwan litieno wakwano ni ning achuriti ka neno lok mi lonyo mi chente mabine chingi oweko tini neno dano tika baka kono gi pu mwanyi kono gi pu kokoa kono gi piet ngo makademia gi achuli do tika neno kitima keru gi twero roche kere ero yen fudi tika biro gi lok bolo ni mone mai tamo ni kai tiro ci dano winyu dan riak maraj o we gana miro na waj man di ben Ni donyo paletian wa magien go donyo NRM. Should not excite NRM. It should not. And donyo paletian wa donyo NRM. Tika bleeding actually full. Peter ni actually dek NRM. Actually tiki la pen maduong magupenyo tikamente ma watien food peke gamo. Actually merone ki gam la pen egoni. La pen ki gama we no konguto. Actually ta opitu lokadiangi pon lupit lokadiangi guto gutumo. Mokene ka yiribero ka kwano wile ya gike pa wile no choeni die na piera boro wiario mana tino ka lopo korni latien konya mete ki lopo kore lek gamento chul wego met keroni dano dong kwayu kija wai I will lego gumu pen wai will ni dem ke konya ba ke konya la ku kwalu chene niyo tika rinyo kere chide lego ni ke konya de bola modo level patuli dong nemo o we ko chamo kene ga wano loke waneno lutino wa magiti tela ni waneno gidak machalo kokoaye pien gima tika time ya churi ni pe ka time pat mo kene mi Uganda I pat mi kene mi Uganda inore ga donki yero ye agenda tie ero megwa agenda wa giri we pa Romeo achula agenda wana chel giri we pa Romeo kai biro into practice there's completely nothing. The question is, for how long shall I truly keep on living? Come on, kilo bolo magien gitiru beroka bolo gicha dudu. For how long? And actually more will be done under 10 years in it. This is a wrong 10 years. We are man we are wajo la bonda with them. Opposition mago yakeo kitwin mada in 2026. Go be karo kui mu bichungu bidana actually. Pien even within NRM unoti opposition leaders mu kene madong gudugulu mone ketgi pien cha wengi logo maraj ku NRM gi yerugi gi luogi ki nying mu kene no gi luogi na chut songa mero no yincham go makon gi pege tin no ngula keba kono be bien gendong be ko non ki welcoming gen mi duga chut sanga ya ata woni be ki welcoming gen mi duga a chut songa pien gu beru ka yeto dano chitim ini mero ni ngat ma ini beru ka lanyo ne do ya kor latien bina jula puyi mada a puyi ni do ngoyo ya pe peke geni matwal gen peke. No, and trust enuma tiga diminishing every now and then actually. Impacted in nemo, both short term and long term. Iko paletiano wa, I don pajowa, I keep one me rocho pajo. Tiga nemo. La wa no koromomati very interesting. Piem, machalo rocho pajo. Gutika promoting Jimmy Mogo Magitamani, ha doubt me actually, twerke la loga. Ikirati pour moigny, pour cocoa. Ela riago mo mano ngegi, chu no contract, me training dano, kimi supplying kodio. Guaya, one wange wana ye wabitimo. Wapunyo dano wa mio yedgikero, pingo rakiti yuda kedano. So one tiki jomo kenema. En kita chuli bolu charo lok ni reru pa diang bero yom chunya goke kien kia diang idong mo bi dang cha di manu remo tika karo ki ngure wek diri nyo cha moni kien gi ring gi nong gena chama jomo ken pe ki ideas gi kora ki bori ni yin non kay wote kere wek gen nong gi katiro donc weko en kodi lok ma wano loko eni wan watika lok machalo concerned citizen watika lok machalo litina chuli ma igi piyom piem maki wajo ni legacy riba there must be consistency with legacy ni ki lok fiyere you cannot be a human rights defender till you are a human rights abuser tibe merno ki bori mada pibino It doesn't work. Nia wan walwe nyamada machalo position mine neni NRM timu gina kuman who we know who responding to this issue. And to daringe anda loke NRM kachwa ko kitimano NRM no tiyo no kere. I think this is a shame. Berwe radio mano chino ka koko mabe chidong battery se dong chidong gatung chidong duane chako loke. That is the level mality and about here. We are angera pe ki jamoge ken katiga lock malupe ki lock paloke paletiano. Lock is not a problem. Ento the ben in ken man. Manjuri we de chungde ya chuli no bebe la NRM. We de katui ya chuli no be la NRM. Agenda me matie behind donyo paletiano wa NRM. Mirime matie mukaro lajo mafut kitika kanone o actually pe kanenone badon kitamani do muji tek don kitia ko don ye in petan actually should start thinking that line actually pe o chak neno enoni ni o jonne ko ri loke paletine ne mono timinono
yeah
ke tie gin mo bien machel look at the timing
Fred
yes.
Fred, before I come any, that brings me to a question. Mauno Anamir Penyuki in PNA. At some point back, let me say almost 25 years, Guare, Nyobe Makaro, and more. You know, the chow can have been MPs, Matino Kubrigan getting on all la Kuluni. Gina ye Kuberka Peru look, we were Marach, Mada Nyoguare. Kirka cheno be nyorache moti look magen go berga kare comment rajmata par in rajmata kongan in rajmata itlacho in kon ko betini, and these are the same people. Magen,
exactly.
To me, actually feels betrayed.
Highly betrayed. Highly betrayed. Pien ichawani actually lock a left right center niyo anga mono matwer gwoko mong pa actually. Langa pien ka dong wunu wajo ni man la meroho wa utimo balle kumwa wene wunu kede chida nge yina ki mano nge dano ki uchero gwaho wunu ko kaki neni ki begini. I want to be a little sarcastic. Liti je mukene pebege jo mabojo pien nenno kama bo Litino wa koko ki pikwangi ya pa pedano ma ya pa wantin wa tumoko. Donc tin ki neko wao tin no waro yetum. Eringeye atamo ni giloke gineno dano ci gitimo ni elu ka donc gibino ka loko en ababa gini ka tin non ki kemme ki wan mon patulitier pere gichiro patulitier pere. Don wego karika watika nendo 2026 kani ada yamo mabane ene binu toro jang jato wen chuno ya biru pere ara mero choko chunle tieno wa maput gudong magitiki ni yene achula agenda put peki katikere dak mera ni katikere kama leng kaki chip inyim dano Bukate kamalenga chu. We shall support them. Wapegi chene ba? Wana yelo bol queen. We shall support them. To our apport king out money, matiki intention, matia ti piachuli. Other than a dramatist. But binu diga tuko goga nga koko ngene ho giribos me waigening. May neno ngene ni meru ngene kongola giken. May nero kuki mero kuko kongola giken ero chamo kere boss mig beria kara pien en wene magen karte kere loke mayen karte kere ni tigi mone daro ba kwile ni wach kuman nenno so the ben a waha pa chuli mauno Uganda ho wenki neno ni nemba iti na churi ni be okore komgi nono issues magitika raising those are real issues. One of pushing for transitional justice bill. Wa yele pierre for so long final kati. No leti an mubero ka yele pierre ni mubero ka yele machalo position because they would feel that pain because they had the space mauno gilogo proudly about Kara. Now you are in the system. And football no la NRM madiga look so proud about Kara. Football no, yeah, actually football no. Maybe kacharo jo Kara mukene. I have not seen one. Pian beru eka de donyo kwida. Chiti umbrella mo makoyo ki kan piye ki umo ki wi koyrong niki madong pide twerong lo. Gende kwara yene yes sir. Yes sir. Bolu ki bolu mano ki mi wango. Chi kaki miro ni wan machala chuli wadok chien ya waka mamekwa. Ki wo tampa chuli. But your position petani actually no dead government. No. Actually I've disagreed with government on few issues. Mabere government bengia dani, these are real issues. But they're playing their cards. They're taking their time. They're not bothered. They're not bothered. Team kado nyini merni de bid mabe actually. No be donya NRN. De ben. Arati kien jo pobi beru mabe. Pobi beru mabe. Pian and I have issues, matamoni. Gamente kong ugam. We have written them. We've talked about them. We've presented them. No mageo gen doki ye. Kunbene ginye you. One of you victims of war. Never ki victims sit there no kerechan. One you mukene pay near the war because of trauma. Ma ini no even your stories for victims. Did you know one no digu gen nyerwa? Kay donye odyat. He actually can equip the big way.
And victims in get take at my ben piago no chol my meg.
That is the thing.
Yeah.
Ticket package more money and more get any team no work package and directly make on your victims. We've seen so many government programs make it but pity more make it any man no children can be on your victims. Man ICC on the court predominantly when book some small package. Kay winyo gidiga loge it wet amene gi moma ka gi chibi nyimi chituki lako kuni okweji. About 3 million shillings is what these victims are getting or they are going to get. Biru gidiga toko gidiga poko billion achela ching victims. Where is our position, Machalo Kaka? Where is our position, Machalo Gamente, on this matter? ICC pubino ka tieko lok ma yachole. ICC ubino ka kelongon mati and Gamente has a stake. Gamente ukerutien. I church ma ICC presenting kun yeni and I am going to be party and I will respect, uphold and always abide by. Ero kabe winyo wiye. If you know even the subscription that you gonna be people paying. It's a shame. Deep into it, you know, personally, I have buried, I don't know how many hundreds of victims. Pierre Nodo being a kuni, Dugu part of him. Just because you want victims to survive. You want them to speak about the experience. You want them to break the silence in them. You want them to get justice. Justice more kibori. Mukene iwinyuni anamirone acknowledgement. Amir gu ye ni baloti mekoma. Chalu chomi gu. Gu wadati waini. What we want is uye ni baloti mekoma. Chidong peke no. That is what justice is to them. Jomukene winyo waini. Wek wa nong yo many chan, wek wa bid machalo dana kero dugi, wek wa teach. Jomu kene makai penyo gi winyo waini, unonge wakamo wa nyoy iye. Madiri wa chimo ni gangwa, litino wa leyu. Jomu kene winyo wajani, uye umini wa kero wek wa dong igangkwan, wa bid kingej machalo jomu kene, wek bene wa piem kwedgi, ka ubini lok minongo teach. Ero tinong litino wa dongu umugweno ba. Pangyo magubi tuch kere bot dano. Nitim da tuch don kere en. Man log ma pire tek amiro ketu lok uno kama leng. Kai bibino ka repeki gamente on this matter. Pida ke bindak iyo maweko dano tamoni unity ga timu kongola kika. There is no problem bino ka waeni amira ti ka che legamente. Ero ne chui yada. Ero ka de chero dong malo but la dit logo. Chire chako bargaining ni anabinongo. What kind of signal does it send? I'm victim le ko ngana tin. Iti ro ma teacher eni.
Fred.
Kadini.
Ana tamne ba. Ana tamne. Yeah, Fred. Ana tamne. Kache gin ma no bichwero chunya chole tiene gwake John go bino gima yeba from a very most reliable source. John Pego bino wa kiri chilling aliba beach ma depend to kerep taja ko bini Pego bino
depend
kichor talk John Achora and John Pego bino ginoma.
That is true, but depend we are waiting to change.
Yeah.
Actually you beru karamoma Chamuk level give me resilient. Get to all the bota mune. Commission pa Johnny Tiemi no chene. You get we consign more on your chene pe. If we go to Chako Katigi got defecting again from NRM for good on a yen. But the department mother don't put up here don't pay the year. The two another two go. Ani yo ye ma Katigi look go pamugo nigi tamon nigi chono kedam.
Fred, expect that one. Expecting Guinea and better to get a part. Anangene obetemo chochak now. Wake up penny conquer penny shell. Piane lock Honorable Anthony call. Watching uno no permit any that and like a chat penny tampa, Julie Piana Julia Garan no chan. Come lock egoni, Gan Chara MPs, no per what a new Mirgina check paint amacholi. Chill me again on guitar, Machalo and piano no don't chan, don't get lock a chulo liwang, don't get your uncle lock and in come apart and piano what you lock down take a charge mat one at them.
Down on my core bag on the week very weird. Could it take with money pa yo ma yo nyo come a link. Chimago ran you got chill, Chichago conye, Chitamoni again or wine. Actually should stop that. That is foolery of the highest order. I call me accountability between my and you. All these MPs, let them give in accountability. Between Magin Gitio. While in parliament. Where don't modo don't give what don't catch you, John, and Mado dongera, don't mere any don't what you know what you don't catch it. And you were routine one or go me gone. Who will there stand to give accountability? Kiacholi. Piamachu리 tiki list of Jimmy Maki Kiriebo board Ginigo team. Mo mateke kondo kato mi accountability. Ni en madong anatimo nen e kuma pa anatima boro eta rio mudongi anu ne peti megati opposition. But that team know that he don't in the party. Kongu kate konkere. Maybe enuni obe onyo oloko ayo mo itwina chuli. Bukate kere. Otherwise, ti loko kene dugu lok charo. Yini tamoni kadong yende ri to twali parliament. Chino dong yende ngerong pero pa chuli okweje. I think that is a shame. Kuri lokeno bepo as a board member of parliament. Kada yini nywago kare juchu ki danu ni yini diga chumpegi. Lok charo yoni pekaro ki dogi. Pien pero pa chuli duong makonye bepe. Macha juju no achuli no tinu bakele and they are very genuine. Needs to be responded to. Kaki wajani ti pengi jomo kene be kaki penyo gini liki ana di no first grade e constituency de bepinge you. Schools are di mabeti constituency mukene bepinge you. There are simple questions macha mukene no we don't make penyo members of parliament. Pien beno no bepi beno no gitwer no gamone. Cha mukene no ke wora tamani don pide penyo we peda ko do rom gitu twal. Pien no ko gidon gidugu tieno to twal. So depend look and ma wan fi look ne fi look mom yom twin and look me twin
kakara
and actually it's high time actually woke up to say no to certain foolery. It's high time actually woke up to say ni ka don't pay to don't obey la bondo tela. There's no way you tell what you want. The only way of solving Pero Pacioli is joining movement. No, that is wrong. Opposition po chero ke panga ka lwenje parliament. We go tiyo la tong me chero ka goyo tok dane parliament. Opposition go chero ke ideas, go chero ke issues. Madano miyo itgi because of who they are as opposition. What do you oppose? What do you oppose? And these are the things ma ini kelu ma ini posi we jone gamende ka wuna da wunu wajani wunu ki wuni kumala mi Uganda o we gamini wu statistic ene cham futti to this level look me your come futti to this level look me kwan futti to this level adi da ine ne wunu tiyo that can only be brought by an opposition. Now if you are in the system kichoyero iri no be kwan ko ni machado gamente amirna kundi woman ni mana ya achievement in northern Uganda. Chidong dano be odong chingi. Jal, what is wrong is wrong. You cannot make it right by another wrong. No. Maybe you know the band. Look and look me to a twin. Fine. They've chosen good chero. One no wamero nan and gina mono any sustainability. Wamero nan how long they will take there without falling praise. Because look gigi can to you. Yanga mo kendo chakong bango dong loko kirna ka na wajon. Tuyugi. Kong luenya ngo ma churi tiar ka luenya ne. Magichika upeni. Luenya ngo. Gima chulu dong kere era yemi ye yene jone dong ayawao. Let us retreat. And let us chulu retreat and start life afresh. Kidori gangkwan achulu makpu achulu gichatu ngom. Achulu tiki the available resources. Achulu luenye lokum yorokum gi. Achulu manual. Achulu gwok letieno kichulu gi gangkwan. Achulu yugang. Achulu chakcham mabejo weguri mwaka maduong. Kong yine nen rain mitoi actually is alarming. It's a beer achil they every week the actually nentar ki yuko dano makarumi achil. Every week. And yet rain menu until a painful.
Yeah.
And Jomatoni, these are breadwinners and at all. Jomagiti in their productive age, Jomuke Maguteki Manobego, Bello, Metam, and at all. Sitting no one harmony, the one no tea, mother, the one local. See, we are watching. We are watching them. We don't hate the party NRM. But Wamir Litian will be relevant. Litian should be consistent. Litian should grow throughout their political life. We again magin good to you, gin magulo routine. Congo achieving. In regards to local victims of war, Majui were Makar Chawa Rivi in money. What have you achieved? The Moti Magobe Waju, are they the one who took Dominic and went to the Hague? Have they been part of the court in the Hague? Makoni led with Gitar Chakawajanani, Mana Yagina Wateo, one or two Dominic and went, Sana Donking on one and on to the butch. There's nothing they will say. Victims are dim again go mago chingi matin proudly giwajoni walo kogi from grass to grace. From being victims to victors. Victims are dim. Those are certain things now we need to talk. So accountability PRTech, at Amani in their campaigns, we are going to be very bold to ask for the accountability. When I tell you any team while in parliament for these 5 years for Jomokandori 20 years. The team actually Mukandori 20 years, even others have taken more than that. So the mere Kong depend for all this period, Mado Bear, do team no Mado Chimo. Jomokano we do go take to the level ma wa wangidong pechime. Kiriachi wangidong peto. Piala we don't pay Ungiyoki Gopa, Ungiyoki Bolo Dano, Ungiyoki Timo Jimmy, the contrary. Tiana Logo, Geduana Matek, Ketian Lok, Pian, Loco Guru China, and then wait to Paja Yetika Bino in the middle of Rocho Paju, to Paju Donya. Now, man, better with Dwagoti Rocho Paja Angage. I am not saying that Rocho Paju is opposition, but Rocho Paju wants to stand on the facts, wants to stand on those issues. Kawe comprehensively kikela loga actually erong tin le tiana wagu umugweno gumo completely umugweno. So that is a shame. I have seen people who were so strong before joining the party NRM, but immediately they join, they're even so proud me local things that are so irrelevant in him now. When you talk or do it, can logo something over the TV. I think that is a shame. They'll do it we used to know. They'll do it we used to be proud of. They'll do it Macau, you need on your office, the office that he read throughout. And it was so bold to talk about issues affecting Uganda. Today he has become someone. Photocopy for do it again. See, Jimmy Rajoma, I'm not saying we hate MRM, but what I'm saying is actually should style up.
Yeah.
Actually get fun, Chalong when my phone and my no malia take one money. Chalo Luang my phone with chat, take one money. Actually should think twice before any action. Keburi luri before you loke jomuchueli niba dukchen borgi ni ujone anatamo ni ana beloke be ana loke kitian loke en lutua nguru waju ningo. People are not going to fight you. That people are going to listen to your heart. People are going to feel your pain. People are going to give you the blessing. Ina tiem loka da kado o kumenu loke eroke loke tim kuman ere chawani. Actually, when I pay you, the chain money good lock up on it. Get a Rayoki Balma Gutimo. Get a name of Porquio. I mean, there are so many answers, Makimio, Ilokum Loca Paratiano, which should have not been like that. Chiana Mani, this is good for this discussion, but this discussion has to be extended. Odura me Borachula Yene, did me campaign of the Choyam.
Yeah.
Not more can mobile retailer. Kondo mi accountability. Pingo my better katimone.
Yeah.
So that we are proud of him.
Yeah. We do an better what 2026 enini. Kalau ba purumi ko para cara ana dit di ben ini. Ana mero mako with look mangat la chunga chela chel makono bikar ki magwak porno le weng amira mak lock dogeo cha ku kere 2031 we kong wanen ka chengar ene no tim gen mon piana no mira timi wang mukate europea timu so wang idong amita da tim yes Europa no na pe copyright ana mirgin mama ana bergi copyright ma wapenyu wono dogila wachel jaruka wapengar mani mere mirne gwa piane put gen money entiga mir timneni a miro ne ki pen dog dana egono liweng now lokte maduonga kan la pen madal tiga penyu ne kidon koni ben be chwal we loko kene pen pala dit ene no yo muchuya to twal mala dit jana ne gwera wachini when there was conflict in northern Uganda, why were there no journalists to picture, to show how people were mistreated? Now, in America, Mayor, Roma Rani, Maber Katime Carmeno. Ono pe report in journalists me jallu komi ka cer ka ma ko chel nyo me cer ka temuga chal ka mene roma ranyi cha beru tek ranyi ne beru bene pe beru man ko mi don pen gena chon pa watiga niang magnitude onyo kitma roma beru kere roma ranyi cha beru la mal maka in ka ge ma in ma ge gena ki Mogo indong ipono iwinyo niki no liel money. Eno ber peke ngeo ngonti me. Dano no pole danting ngwech. Kibe non kar eno po journalist. Journalist beno kiter kichalo position. Chipole wengo re exile. Mono ene la gamma ana amera gam malupe ki eno ni. Wafoy Patrick ki South Sudan. Kidong la dit jana kwerabe wajini ludira chole uti kwene pe uneno gin matie katime ikom danwa pingo wa maro lim ni kar danwa mane eneni la peny mabe twal
Exactly. And these are the questions and to me, Nyimgi.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Exactly. One more point to go, Isaac. Kidong Lino Gomiktiga Wani, does the international community have a mandate or obligation to speak on the issue that concerns the Acholi people? If so, are they doing that, and to what extent?
Gonna depend.
Yes,
yes,
yeah.
Amiru Lino Ongeni, the international community have done a lot of things.
Yeah.
They have documented a lot of things. They have published a lot. And to, and to the Agor Pechamongoro Kuluni. They've put the government of Uganda under a lot of pressure. But Oka more limited Gikoro. And these people have not yet slept. They are still awake. Victims of war are being taken to, big meetings out of the country almost every day. Why are they taken? Not for study purpose. Because they want their voices to be heard. They want them to be seen, be an evidence and no. They are not sleeping. One day, these issues will come to life. Yeah. Because it will come to light.
That's right, yeah. That's right. So, let's go to the next comment. Jana Ngueratika Wachini, Northern Uganda, Itelot Pamuze, Pepino Gin Mama Bay. NRM Dong, Unero, Pachua Wara, Gin Ango, Ma Mier, Watim, where Odua Kuch, Kachel, Ki Justice, Ilobo Acholi, Lutino, Wa Magidonya, NRM Pilim, Keken, Mantam, Kariki Botla did Janan, where Kibeno Mete, Kunwachi, Acholi Miero, Giero, Mirgiero MPs, Mirgier MPs, Manyan, in 2026, Beru le which Madir Mada bought MPs, Ma Aki, Northern Uganda. They have failed in their duties to serve their own people. Now,
there's no doubt about that, Ben.
Let me comment on this. Let me comment on this. Let me tell you, on record, from a very reliable source, Amir won't actually win my bay, one actually, Pianingo why ne won't actually give Marmara time work in the Pada actually, actually. Amir Kara win my bay. Gamente, Unio, Puero, Unyamo, Chigunone, MPs Mamegwane, they are not productive.
That is true.
Omio, Kumbidi in the Nano, Jungu Wigi, Kitika Jungu Wigini, Wake all tag or Pete Kachela Chiel. Kumbidi inini Kumalome Uganda, tie productive, a level Makache Lutela, the right Lutela, tie in place. Kumalome Uganda Kaka and my inner joke and opium better, yen, Amira watch Ulu to her. Ni, Yukikero, Me Pietro, Lobe Madwong. Lobe Madwong ba? Manoka Kawaii, China Benetikina, Ramo Pietro, Mano Benungom, Mekumalame Uganda can. Romo Pietro, Lobe Magiti, Ikumalame Africa. Romo Pietro, Spain. Romo Pietro, other European countries. Don't get any mirror, Lutella, Mati. Kawe Gulak, we dano. Pian Yang Chan propaganda mono berutier, Mano Lutella, Gipino Ginuano, we dano. So kumbiri ini dong widano miro betie manotiu ki yu pagamente mel kelo dans lobo kumalo me Uganda. Now le bon dans lobo petit kit muchor mo nyo chiana mo ma Uganda bino ma Uganda bilon kere makiri ka jomo kena bino ma dan ki ye eto no lo teder ka ini no gitigi chwaki kom yup matie wer yup chane o chiat malo. So, MPC enene pegitwero supporting neroli enone ke yope enene. Omio language majone ene gilgiloro peo bikelo alaga mo ken machalo log my mindset iwidano ikom ka ma mirki pugi ma pedong lokolo ko mwanye ko anga gi ngogini dano bichak purga mo ma ibi neno chalo kon pile nyanya gi tigu gi anga gene ini me expert magin no be better la mal from a very reliable source amirne ngema bene mapat ki wara chuli madong wahol kilo telele enini wagamenda dong mero ologio amyo na nena wichi wuni lok mechpik ko ochene chupani NUPN enero nge gwara ki cher kedo i parliament kadong ki bituku gila wache le room waingom inge kama no choron machan mage genati e kira tukere ka korchwe kama choron machan Chorona kwenya ni ba tuk ne room wa pen tinong kraj ka giberga onyo chiat ko ye so kini eneni tie aner mo abe bena betero bena ter ko na ter maduong aya jana ngwera bena tiga wani there is no impact of actually MPs in the parliament at all. They join NRM because of their ambition. They are after riches and their family. And that is what it looks like, you know. In that way, Lino Gomik, if you are new and do not know well, Lino Gomik is my name, the usual staunch commentator on this platform and several others. Now, any arangema be mata Lino Gomik in the church ma in church ka any church come ma we all know about that. Kidong Wood Pachilo watching live from Lego. Greetings, brothers. Amar Kitma Utie ka Nywako Kere Lok any. It's really meaningless to defect from opposition to ruling government, thinking everything will be okay. Now, Fred, ringulok ya. Ingolok kini ringulok ya. Piana kita wai ni kiano John. Ni kiano dong piana kita wai kiano ki failing omada manolok ke kiano opposition cha wai ngaya mi dalo pero ngo petika piana kumal me Uganda. But I know this could have been a whole different thing. And then chawa to mo kono karben kita kera degolo one kachel one ki Fred wabit dugu kono mir wa nyam kong lok man ma and la dit father Eric okare kere lok en lok acham ngunyane man pe le baraj ba lok acham ngunyane inge Fred an kada gonye kere gini lok acham ngunyane you'd wonder and you say leba chuli mo mater loke acham ngunya pere charlok mo peba era cham ko katie
exactly
ayo chi kadung ki wa na cham ngunya kadung kaga wa cham ngunya any no dung katie in this modern world around town such a thing such a word malaya yaram wacho loke enoni.
Exactly.
So could it be any father tiga wanyane MPs wa mago lakane malaye So, like, this is something. But one of the way one kiri, Chamir wa nyam mot. Pian animated better when yam kiri wa lock mogo kira rom kitmano lock kitmano father katikere and mere lock in when ben wa nyam mo panka any. And that probably might be tomorrow. Mano and one be on yam lock any.
It's well.
Yes, look
it's well. I'm at lokame magika e frate ka koro jomo ker mo biro ko bodo lo nguma don ko me na reme kirima go be gonyo kere kono yellow fever kono ngo adi koro kirgen go be gonyo kere piem kamado wa o yene ma do dugu ribi go o dugu racho kido arbe na di koro kay nen jemene poti me kirima no mirge tiene kirima jono be don bun kere kida lego ne na reme we primary be tie Chwin kilea. You work primary betier. Mobile bet an open primary. Pedak no ki better you down on equal bull quick in it. Kiwero betier. When the right candidate are you biruchu. Pedong you know don't get like a kuru that a beer on country do good on one gang. Mero petime. See, with 12 bor actually, it's a shame. We were very proud. Chat manu bichai wa kerene no funo la pin. Erdong madung ngene tino cha loke. Level madung ki chai wa kere. La mal madung lik ko kadika. Ara fo de twar road mi poru meji bugum.
Afo bene atamne en loka primary eni bene ka ineno bichero beru tichi be beru be mada ingeo part mo kene ma bene no donki okay ye ka dong in crossing ibicher no don kikuno bene on kichimo nga miro chungo bange ka ambe da ye moko ne ene nga be independent
Aye la pena apoyo
mate
Sending love to my motherland, a beautiful place in Africa. They love like a family, but please don't step out until now.